Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this short morning meditation. Settle into a comfortable shape, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. We'll begin with 3 big cleansing breaths. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again. One more big inhale. And let go of any sense of rushing or busyness. Let any momentum just drop away, bringing yourself fully right here, right now. And bring all your awareness to your forehead. Allow any tension just to melt away from the forehead. Relax your eyes and all the little muscles behind the eyes. Release your jaw, your tongue, and your shoulders melting down. Feel the whole body softening, letting go. Relax the muscle of your mind, like you're unfurling a clenched fist, letting the mind be spacious, relaxed, and free. Bring your awareness back to your breath. You might imagine settling down and resting back into a comfy chair as you keep your awareness on your breath. Now let it go. And might you welcome your intention for today? If you're not working with a specific intention, might you welcome the affirmation? Today is filled with abundance, ease, and happiness. Repeat this to yourself and feel it through your whole being as you say it. Today is filled with abundance, ease, and happiness. Now take one more breath here. Imagine the breath giving fuel to your intention. And let it go. It's time now to come fully back into your body, fully back into your space, feeling refreshed and ready for whatever lies ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I release a new video every week. So if you like this meditation, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel and come back to this practice every morning to start your day. Have an amazing day. Namaste.